Today I'm going to perform the peripheral vascular system. The purpose of this assessment is to identify any signs or symptoms of PVD, including the arterial insufficiency, the venous insufficiency, and the lymphatic involvement. And the goal of this assessment is completed without the patient experiencing anxiety or discomfort. So for the planning, check the doctor's order, review client's record, gather all the materials needed, wash hands, wear PP if needed, position the clients comfortably, and provide privacy. Hi ma'am, I'm Abigail Torres. I'm your student nurse from now. I'm from La Consolacion University of the Philippines. May I know your name, age, and birthday?
Imelda Torres, 50 years old, September 11, 1973.
So, proceed na po tayo sa implementation. First po, kailangan po natin mag-hand hygiene. The first po, observe po natin yung size po ng hands nyo, na arm. Pantay naman po, wala naman pong present ng edema. Look din po natin yung discoloration. Pantay naman po. And next po is palpate po natin yung hands nyo. Wala naman pong masakit. Wala naman pong sign of tenderness. Yan. Di naman po pale yung kamay nyo. And next po is yung capillary definition. Bumabalik naman po and okay naman po siya. Wala naman pong signs ng abnormalities. And sa ulnar nyo naman po, sabay na po natin yung ulnar and radial. Kung napapansin nyo po, mas mataas yung radial dito sa ulnar kasi ito po yung nandito po yung pulso natin, dito po mas napapalpate natin siya kaysa po sa ulnar na malalim. Naman po. Palpate po natin yung brachial mo. Wala naman pong lymph nodes na bumubukol. Walang enlargement. Sabi mo. And next po, the test, the Allen test. Perform the Allen test po. Dito po. Close open nyo po yung kamay nyo. Okay na po. Yan, nakita nyo po bumalik yung color ng hands nyo po. Which is normal naman po. And close open na po. Stop na po. Okay naman po, normal naman po both ng hands niya. Pa yung handa. Yes po. Safe po. Nung humiga po kayo, wala naman po masakit.
Wala.
Inspect lang po natin yung distribution ng hair nyo and kung may lesion, yung may signs po na lesion. Wala naman pong hair and wala naman din pong lesion yung legs nyo po and smooth naman po siya. Wala din pong present ng edema. naman po masakit. Bulsa ko na. So, next po natin is titingnan po natin yung temperature po ng kids nyo. Ayan. It's normal naman po. Warm naman po yung temperature namin. And palpate po natin kung may lymph nodes po na makakapa. Ayan. Wala naman po. Wala naman po enlargement. Pwede nyo pong i-bend yung knee nyo. Parehas po. Ayan. Palpate po natin yung femoral pulses nyo. May masakit po. Ayan po. Meron. And auscultate din po natin. Palpate naman po natin yung popliteal pulses nyo, which is ito po. Bend nyo lang po. Bend. Tapos yan. May masakit po dyan. Sa kabila po. Wala naman po ang signs ng tenderness na and lymph nodes po. Wala naman po enlargement. And next po, palpate po natin yung dorsalis pedis pulse nyo. Ito po. Wala naman po masakit. Wala. And wala din naman pong nagpe-present ng edema sa kanya, which is normal po. And normal naman po yung feet nyo. And for the posterior tibial pulses po, wala naman po na signs ng abnormalities. Which is normal naman po yun. And ala po masakit. Good po sa health nyo. Ma'am, pwede po kayong tumayo. Inspect lang po na lang natin yung varicositis and thrombophlebitis po natin. Kung meron po enlargement sa veins nyo po, or may signs po ng abnormalities. Goods naman po siya, wala naman pong abnormalities na nagpe-present sa legs nyo. For documentation, document the assessment data following the healthcare policy and agency policy. For evaluation naman po, perform a detailed follow-up examination to other system po based po dun sa nakuhang findings. And relate naman po yung findings sa previous assessment data po if available. And report deviation to the expected or normal to the primary care provider.